Ageire omorugi bw'omuntu amenya n'omugakoe bansana bakinamo mpaka baisomera ase bakoso ase abamenye ase abagusi omonto kanyomire ire kubaletera anene mono awayopi higa kabaletire ebusa ebuse higa agatugamire bose bwabo oyetora korumotwe n'engata nakorubekera gatigati eba agasiabire ebusa nkense iyo yari eyokwagisokoro korwabo banyo buse eriyende odumi achinkore echichago tumiruka musebya korwa ase egatoro kebya kibaye korire ekina keri igo giakana chirwe omugaka onyora asa amagosare oreta omulembega tuyabo omasesenia nabo ibonanire ande baba abana abamo orwabo nigo bagachire chinka cyabo omugaka oria okubona ibone turemenda omurugi oria yari bagachire onye bitobira Community wanatoka stage mstari hiza Kisi community wanatoka Ista
The woman is taken to our house and the midwife is called to come and help the woman deliver. He then sent a messenger to go and update the father that his wife has undergone labor. The woman delivered successfully. Secluded from the society as a sign of honor for him, and also for him to be taught what men have to do in the society. The women also carry food to the initiate so that he can eat it and become strong.
Unapelekea chakula huku.
Llega mañana, ella lo metana. Ange va muy.
Analishwa za kule peke yake. Analishwa.
Kionyesha bana. Hapa juu wangawana.
They take it to him, milk and ugali made of millet. For us, that gives strength to the initiates. And also, it keeps the men grow strong and stay for longer ages. That is according to us. And that is what we believe in as the Bokots. And that's why we usually take that. We need to move to the next step, which is marriage. He'll soon just move on to the marriage ceremony. That is done according to As you all can see, the elders have joined the rest of the members of the community. The girl has finally found a happy house where she can bear her children and raise up her family.
Ametairiwa wani
imepona. Hata hiyo. Amesahau amefika wapi. Amesahau ashaona.
wangeenda kuita au kuita kwanza hawa ndio naona mtu anaita Kanyere habari shortcut bwana bana walijuaje ameamka na bado anaingia msia wacha tu ruta safanda sawa ya huyu wako na roho ya
We early in the morning, the spy, the Jawangyo, would leave for the neighboring communities, carrying nyuka, porridge, and rabuon, sweet potatoes, for the journey was long. The spies would see girls to and from the river, some fetching firewood and some busy in their farms. It was at this point that he spotted a Pondi, a beautiful young lady made of 6 semicircles, that is 2 on the chest region, 2 on the thigh, and 2 on the backside. The spies would then inquire from a villager, and after that they will secretly follow the girls to find out where they were coming from. The spy will then go back to Chief Ogola and inform him of the beautiful lady that they had spotted in Seme. The following day, Ongonda's family, that is Ongonda's father, Ongonda's brother, the spy, and Ongonda's uncle would leave.
chungu spesheli cha wazee, alafu wale wanakunywa kwenye sachi, haina jina ya Kiswahili, ni hivyo. Watapewa sasa, watapiga hizo kengele mpaka saa 6 ya usiku. Tuwapee moyo tukiwaimbia, ikifika asubuhi tuwakate wakuwe wanaume. Sasa wale wakuimba wataanza kuwaimbia, wakipiga, wakicheza, wakifurahia, manake ni siku ya mwisho, watajongea kwenye uwanja kwenye watatoshea. Na wale wakuimba
bado
wote wanacheza nao. Wale ni gariba, wanaenda kuwachunguza kama wako sawa. Wanaangalia wako sawa, wanakuja kuongojea hivyo wakati kwa boma. Ile ni shangazi yao, wanakuja kupea mwiko, inaitwa kuombea. Wanalambishwa tamaduni, lazima walambishwe hiyo ugali iliyolala wakati ili wanatembea kwa haraka, wanatembea polepole. Ndio maana baba yao wanawachukua wa kwanza. Hapo kila mtu unyamaza kuangalia vijana wanapokatwa na wanainua fimbo juu. Hakuna kelele mpaka gariba amalize apige filimbi, washangazi wapige vilele vile wakifurahia.
Oh,
The Maasai traditional ethnic group is ready to present for you the 3 rites of passage. And that is birth. As a sign of respect, the women and children greet the senior members of the community using their head. They bow down as the senior members touch their head. That is a sign of respect. That is a form of greetings in the Maa traditional community. A newborn is being introduced to the senior members for blessings, to receive blessings. Actually, them say the senior member is ready to bless the newborn. Right here, the events are lovely. They are lively. The junior elders called the Morans are chanting.
And you said you want long-lasting porridge. I asked my mother and said that the products of making your long-lasting porridge are available. Those products in the Kikuyu community were known as mwere.